Hi friends, welcome to Learning Tricks. In this video, I'm going to blow your mind out with amazing filter trick, which is highly effective, useful and very quick. Traditionally, we make different steps to apply filter on a data to get the desired results. For example, we go to Home tab, sort and filter, press filter. Filter is applied on our data. For example, we want to see any department, for example HR. Okay, and we want to see how many males and female. Click on male. Now by doing these steps we get the desired result, which is traditional and a bit slow. Now you need not to worry and learn new trick. Just undo all, go to quick access bar, click on more commands, click on commands not in the ribbon so that we can find our required command quickly. Click on this autofilter, just add this. It is very important to note that the position of the command edit autofilter. In my case, the position is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Please note, in my case the position is 5. In your case it could be 7, 8, 2, 3, 1, any number. In my case the position number is 5. Just press OK. Now select the cell you want to apply the filter. For example IT. Just click Alt 5. Filter is applied. Just again, if we want to see officers, just press Alt plus 5. 5 is the position number. If you, in your case the position number is 7, 8, 2, 6, any number, just press Alt plus that number. Hope you like that quickly applied filter tool. Please like and subscribe the channel and share with others. Thank you.